Okay, so here we go. I've just got my Proton pack back from Imperial Light and Magic over here in the Channel Islands. He's a guy that puts sound effects and lights and things into lots of cool things, lots of Star Wars stuff, etc. He's been doing Proton packs for people. So he's done this for me. So if you like what you see, head to his page and see what he can do for you. So this is the first time that I've properly had a look at it since I went back. So let's find out. Apparently, what I do, I don't know yet. First things first, let's have a look, shall we? I've got a kill switch on the back, which we turn on. So it's ready to go. First things first, let's light them up. There we go, so the power cell's going and the cyclotron's going around. All very cool. So first off, let's activate it. And then fire. Very cool. Sound and the volume's here, so if I go, it can go very loud. I won't do it too loud. So we'll try and overheat it and see how the vape works on it. Ready? Cool. For the vape, put a magnet on here if you remember. So there's the vape inside, and that can be topped up by laying down the Proton pack. So it's still a bit of work in progress. Still got this all needs to be done still. Also, we didn't see, I've got on here, I wanted saving the day. Because there's something about the tune Saving the Day playing, which is brilliant. And then we've got the Ghostbusters theme. We won't do that for too long because YouTube will block my video. So there you go. I've got my Proton pack pretty much done. There will be probably another video at some point when I've finalised all the last little things, such as this here. I say it is work in progress with the soundboard, but I'm looking forward to taking it out. I hope you've enjoyed these videos. Remember, pop down to Imperial Light and Magic and find out about getting your own sound equipment for stuff. It's like a childhood dream having one of these. Now I've just got to get working on the DeLorean. That one shouldn't take too long to 3D print, should it?